Why ask questions? That's a good question.
Can I get some attention? There is something I need to say.
Hey, it's Ben Caparoon here, and welcome back to my channel. There's a lot of reasons why people don't ask questions. It could be that they're shy, or they're new to an industry, or they're new to a company and they're unfamiliar with the verbiage. Maybe they think they know, but they really don't. Maybe it's a situation where they've asked questions before, but whoever they asked made them feel really stupid for asking a question. If you do happen to be one of those people that make people feel stupid for asking questions, we'll stop. That is another topic that I'll cover later. What if I get a task that I've done 1,000 times before, but the way it was communicated was using terminology I was unfamiliar with? It may seem at first I don't understand what the heck I'm doing. Although, if I just ask a few questions, it may be that I just need to learn a couple of new terms. Or at the very least, I need to get on the same page with the person giving me the task. And then all's good. Now, what if I take on this task and I neglect to ask any questions or get any clarification? Well, I might and probably will make a bunch of wrong assumptions and then deliver the wrong solution. Let's say it took you 2 weeks to complete the solution, but it was wrong. Now you have no choice but ask questions. Then you deliver the solution another 2 weeks, and it just doubled your time on delivery, just because you didn't ask questions up front. Now it does look like you're incompetent and wasting time. Never feel like you can't ask questions or get clarification. People will respect you more if you ask questions and deliver the right solution, rather than not ask questions and deliver the wrong solution. After all, that's what business analysts do every day. They ask questions, get clarification, fill in the gaps, make sure everybody's on the same page. People will either respect you because you ask the right questions and deliver the right solution, or they'll hate to work with you because you just waste time and resources. Remember, there's never just one way of doing something, and nobody knows everything. So just remember that if you're unsure about it, ask the question. So next time you're unsure about it and you wonder if you should ask a question, ask. If you thought this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons down below. Thanks for watching.
Can I get some attention? There is something I need to say.